Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to gild a miniature model. In this example I'll cover Babu, the baby Asian elephant, with 24 karat gold leaves. Babu is a rare special edition model that was sculpted by Jason Wiebe and manufactured by Reaper Miniature. It was produced to bring help to the disaster victim after the 2004 tsunami in Southeast Asia. The first step is to remove the biggest mold line with a craft knife. Next, I use a file to smooth the surface of the figurine. To prepare for gilding, I remove the base using cutters and a craft saw. I prefer to use a craft saw over a rotating tool, as they transfer a lot of heat into the figurine, which makes it difficult to hold with the end. Also, vice grip could damage the figurine, and there's a risk of injury if the tool bit bites into the pewter. After I remove the base, I use a file and a craft knife to carve and smooth the underside of the feet. Then I mark a pre-hole under one of the feet with my craft knife. I then drill a hole about 4 mm deep. Next, I use a bigger drill to widen the hole. Next, I screw a support under the model so I won't touch it while I set the gilding leaves in place. Before moving on to the next step, I clean the model with soft soap and a toothbrush to ensure the surface is free of grease or dust, so that the gilding paste sticks to it firmly. For the gilding, I'll be using PBO gilding paste and an old brush. I carefully apply the gilding paste all over the model. After the paste has set for 15 minutes, I start gluing the first leaf. Gilding can be tricky, but hey, I love a good challenge. Leaf after leaf, I covered the entire surface of the model with gold. Once the leaves are in place, I brush them well with the soft bristle of the brush. I apply gilding paste again at a few places where the gold leaf haven't stuck well. I wait 15 minutes for the paste to be ready and collect flakes of gold that have fallen on the desk to stick them on the model. And here's the result. Despite my clumsiness, I used only 8 gold leaves for a grand total of $4. These leaves are from India. I bought them on eBay for about 50 cents each, including shipping. Now I wait for the paste to harden for 24 hours. Then I apply a coat of Vallejo gloss varnish. After letting the varnish harden overnight, here's the final result. If you've enjoyed this short video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated and motivating. In the next video, I'll be assembling a dragon. Then I'll paint it and mount it on a 3D printed display base. Thanks for watching everyone. Take care.